Hello Storyboarders, my name is Eric and today I'm going to show you how to make an exit ticket using one of Storyboard That's pre-made templates. So let's get started. Now first we're going to pick out a template that I like. So we have a ton of great options, but I'm going to go with this message in a bottle. Just click the copy template button below and this brings us directly into the Storyboard Creator, which then prompts us to give our template a name. Now you can call yours whatever you would like. I'm just going to call mine template 1 and click continue. Alright, now it's time for us to customize this template. This is where we get to add characters, items, update text, make any changes that we want to. So first I would like to add a character. If you go up to our characters menu, I'm going to search in the jobs category and I think I would like to add a firefighter. Alright, we have one here. All you have to do is just drag and drop your character into the scene and there we go. Now we get to customize our character. This is where we get to update facial expressions, poses, colors, any changes that we want to do. So I think I would like to have my firefighter in the bottle, but he's determined to get out. So let's give him this fun expression and click update pose. And there's our character. Now we can move them anywhere we want in the storyboard as well as resize them. Just drag the corner of the image. There we go. All right, now next is items. Now we have this bottle here, but I think we might have some options for it. So if we select it and go over to our right hand menu under image options, yes we do. We have a different pose without a message inside. So let's select that and click update image. There we go. So now it looks like we have a firefighter in there. Now if we want to add more items, all we have to do is browse the items menu. And we have all these great categories, and if there's something that you want that's specific, you can search the upper right hand search menu. Now he is determined to get out, so let's give him a ladder. So let's search ladder. Alright, great, we have a few options here, and I'm going to go with this one, leading. So just drag and drop into your storyboard just like your character, and let's resize it. So let's make this a little bit bigger, and I think I would like to squish this so it's not so big. Let's just reposition this, make that a little bit smaller. All right, great. Now let's send this behind our firefighter. So right hand menu, and let's send this back one layer. And there we go. So now he has a way to get out of the bottle. Now next is background. Now you can edit any of the pre-existing background designs. Just click on the item and you can change colors here. And we can actually edit the scene if we go to the edit scene button, and now we can change this. So I think I would like this to be at sunset, and I'd like to take this fog out. So let's click disappear. All right, now we click update scene, and there we go. Now if you want to add any additional scenes or change it, all you have to do is go up to our scene menu and choose one that you would like. We have a ton of options, so there's a lot of great things that you can choose from. Now, last but not least is text. Now you can edit any of the pre-existing text boxes. All you have to do is select one and you can put in your own words. Now I like most of this message, but let's change the message in a bottle to escape from a bottle. There we go. Now I would like to change this font as well. So all you have to do is highlight what you would like to change. And let's go over to our text editor and let's choose a new font. Let's go with this one here and let's make that a little bit bigger so it fills that space. So we're at 48, let's go to 54. All right, perfect. Now it's a little hard to read on this dark red sunset. So let's select this again, and in our text editor, we can change the font to any color that we would like. If you go to the right side to text color, let's go with a really light blue and select off. All right, perfect. Now, when you're all done making the changes to your exit ticket, all you have to do is click the orange Save and Exit button that's in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And that is how you make an exit ticket using Storyboard That. All right, thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.